Hi friends, this is a 928 GTS cam covers, side covers, and the intake manifold. Notice all the brown gold colored paint in there. Now, of course it's difficult to do when I can't hold it. I cannot properly hold the camera, so I'm going to try to do this in a manner where it can be seen. Now, if you look right at the bottom of the camera, and regrettably I apologize I can't get a good image on that, but I'm just putting my phone directly up on the glass. So, now the previous owner, or the person that sent me these cam covers, did their own sandblasting operations on these parts. Now you can see here, now I'm taking this stuff off rather quickly, rather efficiently, and with absolute certainty. Okay, the camera just fell, and it happened to fall right into my arm. So guess what? It's going to stay there. It's actually a good view. But I don't know if you can actually hear me, because it's very loud. It's got the earplugs in, and there's a lot of air rushing through here. So now what I do is I'm going to try to get the camera steady. I'm going to hold the blasting pattern in this orientation, go down this cam cover, and then I'll flip the cam cover and do the opposite end in the angle of the blasting stream. And then I'll do it from the 45-degree angle without really moving my nozzle that much. Just keeping the nozzle going back and forth, you know, a good 4 or 5 inches. Nozzle movement yields about 8 to 10 inches of blasting nozzle movement, or excuse me, the blast pattern movement. Now you'll notice that I'm actually missing some spots, which is fine because I'm going to get those spots on the return blast when I orient the cam cover in the opposite direction. I found this way to be the most efficient pattern and the quickest way to blast items safely, quickly, efficiently, etc. Now I'm going to flip this, and I'm going to try to reorient the camera, because the camera, sorry about that, the camera just went crazy. So let me reach in there, and I flip the cam cover. Now I'm coming at it from this angle. And now remember that it's okay that I'm actually missing some spots, and the spots that are being missed are coming only from the inability of the blasting stream to clean in that area the way the nozzle is oriented. Now you'll see when I finish this swipe of this cam cover in this direction, I'll turn it around so the lengthwise is facing me, And you'll see a whole bunch more primer, paint, coatings, etc. coming clean. This is what I'm blasting with, folks. Ground up dominoes. And in case you're wondering, it is not I that grinds them up. There's several companies in America that do this. I happen to utilize a place called OptiBlast out of Jacksonville, Texas. That every year I go drive over there. It's about a 4-hour drive one way. And pick up about 2,000 pounds of blasting media. And I reuse a lot of it throughout the year. And that's how I can maintain the efficiency. I reutilize this stuff. The dust collector over there picks it up and filters it out. Now I'm going to dump it out. Now watch this. I'm going to do it this way. I'll start here. In the side closest to me, and the media blasting stream travels forward, being propelled by the air, and it cleans everything behind it. So where my eyes are is where the blasting nozzle is, but I'm also keeping aware of that big green thing behind me or in front of me. That's a hood. Now the hood is catching the backblast from the media blasting operations and helping it get clean. This makes it faster for me to do this. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the other half here. You can see right there where my thumb is, in the lower left hand corner, the brownish paint. Well, that brownish paint is going bye-bye. I'm not scratching or scarring or creating a damaged surface on the profile of this metal. It's nice and smooth with a very, very, very slight profile, perhaps of maybe 12 to 1500 grit. If you were to take a piece of sandpaper, run your finger across it, that would be about what this is. Now, of course, some of the casting irregularities in this cam cover from the factory are being smoothed out through this process. But it's not the main objective to do that. The main objective is to get it clean. Nice and clean. Wasn't it fantastic yesterday that President Trump went to he actually went to North Korea. He actually stepped over the border with Kim Jong-un and went over there. I thought that was just fantastic. Well, it's almost 9 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and cut it off. I still have a little bit more to do over here, and then flip it over and do the top side, the manifold, and everything else. Okay, so see you later. Bye. Tschüss.